Hi, I'm Brandy. I've been seeing Dr. Tuggle since around 2015. I came in for a specific rehab issue, and he helped me with that immediately, and I've continued coming to him. I have a compressed disc in my neck. I have some shoulder issues, some issues with my muscles in my legs, and he takes care of me. I try to come in at least every 2 weeks. If I can't do that, I do it at least every month. It's helped with my headaches. It's helped with my tight muscles, my alignment in general. We do ART or active release therapy and occasionally Grafton. Not my favorite, but it is really highly effective. Dr. Tuggle really helps me keep my body in motion and doing the things that I need it to do. He's also really great at helping you figure out things like different stretches, different exercises, foam rolling, things that really help you, particularly as you're getting older and you need to do things to make things work the way they used to, or as close to it as you can get. So he's a huge part of what I consider to be my self-maintenance as I just live my life to the best of my ability.